What's up guys, my name is Michael from Siesta Campers and this is the new California T7. So we're going to start by opening the roof. You need to make sure that at least one door is open. Then you need to turn the ignition on and make sure you open up this flap. Then you can press this button to open up the roof. You click and hold. It's going to send you a warning on the dashboard saying please check the available space. Once that notification is gone, you can press and hold. Amazing, and the roof is open. To close the roof, you need to bring the top bed down. Just make sure the ignition is on and the sliding door is open. Then you can press this button to indicate the roof coming down. It's going to stop halfway and give you a warning saying is the roof bed down. You're going to wait 4 seconds and you can press the button again. Once it's closed, then you can lift the extra canvas up and close the flap. In the front, you also have two USB Type-Cs, which only work when the ignition is on, as well as the 12-volt charging port. To rotate the chairs, you need to make sure you pull the chair forward, just like a normal car. At the bottom of the chair, there is a black strap. Pull it forward and rotate in the direction you want to go. And you're going to do the same on the other side. Alright, so funny story. At the last part we were at, it was a very exclusive location. Unfortunately, we didn't make it to the VIP list. So we found a better spot. So let's keep rolling. When you're ready to prepare your meals, you can lift up this top. Over here you have the gas and right next to it you have the tap. To operate the tap, you need to lift it up and press to the side and the water will run out. Make sure when you're done, you can push it all the way down just so that the glass can close. When you're cooking, make sure that you lift it all the way up so the heat doesn't get to it and the pot can fit on top. Before you can use the stove, you need to make sure that the gas valve is open. Turn the knob and then you're ready to cook. Then you're going to press down and click. Make sure that you close the gas valve when you're done. You can find your gas bottle at the back. Remove the wooden panel. Flick the two red levers down and remove the black plastic. And your gas bottle is located there. To put the panels back, make sure you put the black one first. Secure it in place using the red and close it. In this cabinet below, you have your drawer with your cutlery. Down below, you have your fridge. And you can also access it from outside. To turn on your fridge, you need to come over here and press the middle button. You can click the middle button again, click refrigerator box, and click on. Make sure the power setting is on 3 so that your food does not freeze. Just below the gas valve, you can find the 2-pin plugs with the inverter, as well as a charging port for your phone. On the display, you just click the middle button, wait for it to turn on, then you can click again to turn on the AC, the lights, camping mode, or the fridge. You can also open and close the roof from here. If you click it again, you'll be able to see the level of fresh water, wastewater, and percentage of your second battery. Behind the kitchen, you will find a small table. This table has two functions. Either you take it out and use it over here. So you press the red button, bring the leg down, and connect it here. Or you can remove the table, pressing the red button, clicking the two black clips, and pulling it out. And you can use it inside too. You can grab your table from the back. To use it outdoors, you can fold open all 4 legs. To use it indoors, you just have to open these two and these 2 latches. And you can hook it on the rail inside. Using these latches, you can hook it up on this rail and let it slide. This can be used for your dining room or your camping game night. Time to make the bed. Make sure that you remove the headrests and turn them to the back. Then you can pull both seats forward and pull the middle lever. Like that. Grab on the black strap and let the bed unfold. And the bed is made. Putting the bed back, you need to fold the mattress. Make sure that you stick the strap back on the Velcro for easy access. Then you're going to pull the same middle lever all the way up. And roll the chair back. Very important, you need to remember to turn the headrests back to the front when driving. You can find your chairs at the back of the trunk behind the zip. Inside it will be strapped in, undo the Velcro and pull the chair out towards you. Have a seat. To take a shower, open up the cabinet at the back, remove the bottom flap and grab your shower head. Using the shower head, find the golden piece and make sure it matches with the pin in the golden connector. Then turn the water pump on and you can take a shower. If you run out of water, you can top it up over here. Turn the blue cap, use a hose, fill it up and remember to close it. When your wastewater is full, you can open it up on the inside. Underneath this flap, you can find the wastewater valve. You need to turn this wheel in the unlock position and the water will drain just underneath here. When you're ready to charge your van, grab the cable from the back and lift the blue circle. Make sure that the blue circle goes into the black square and push. To remove the cable, press down on the blue lever and pull the cable towards you. Roll it back and put it back. To open up the awning, you need to make sure that both of the doors are closed. Then, using the car keys, there's a small black key attached. You can lift up this panel, use the key to unlock your awning tool. Then, make it into a Z shape and come with me to the back. At the back, insert the awning tool and start unrolling. You're going to unroll the awning about 1 meter, just so that you can drop the legs for support. Lift the black panel, click the leg outwards and drop the leg down. To secure the leg, lift up the grey piece and do the same on the other side. Once the legs are out, you can use the awning tool again, roll it more and lift it higher. To make the bed upstairs, you need to bring it down. Then, 1 foot on the seat, the other foot on the shoulder. You can hop right up and the bed is made. And that's all from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that you have a safe vacation and make memories that last a lifetime. Go wild and be free.